Good morning. Thanks for joining us here for the release of the HTV cargo vehicle. We're here live in the International Space Station Flight Control Room, awaiting the release of the Kounotori cargo vehicle and the beginning of the end for the HTV-6 mission. Earlier this morning, flight controllers unbolted the HTV cargo vehicle from the Nader port of Harmony just a little bit after 5 a.m. Central Time today. Ground controllers then maneuvered the cargo vehicle to its release position at the tip of the station's robotic arm just a little bit after that. HTV is now in its release position with about 5 tons of trash inside. Everything on track. Release has been queued. Snares are open. Starting to see a little bit of motion. And we have a confirmed release just as we lose some video communication, but we do have a confirmed release at 9:46 a.m. Central Time as this station flies 261 statute miles over the South Atlantic Ocean. Now regaining some video communication, we can now see the HTV clearly separated, free drifting away from the International Space Station now as the station flies 260 statute miles still over the South Pacific Ocean heading towards the west coast of Africa. HTV still looking good. That first burn about to happen in just about a minute and a half. All the commands have been queued up, and we'll start to see the HTV slowly drift away and conclude its mission at the ISS.
Station Houston on 2 for HTV. IDM-1 maneuver is loaded. Monitor per step 2 in 1.602.
We were there. Thanks, Jessica.
Jessica Meir confirming the next burn. You'll start to see the HTV slowly move a little bit faster away from the station to Shane Kimbrough and Thomas Pesquet aboard the International Space Station. That command being sent right about now. Confirmation that that burn is complete. Now we'll start seeing the HTV slowly start drifting away from the International Space Station outside the keep-out sphere, 200 meters away. That's when it's declared safely away from the International Space Station and out of communications in case an abort procedure is needed.
Station Houston on 2 for HTV.
Go ahead, Jessica.
IDM-1 maneuver complete. Verify per step 3 in 1.602.
We agree. Verified step 3.
Copy.
Jessica Meir, Capcom here and Mission Control Houston confirming with Shane Kimbrough aboard the International Space Station next to Thomas Pesquet. confirming that everything's going according to plan. That first burn is complete. The next burn about to happen in just about 8.5 minutes. A good view of HTV carrying 1.5 tons of cargo, including some of the nickel hydrogen batteries that have been removed and replaced with some of the lithium ion batteries, way more efficient, that were taken up on HTV when it launched in December 9th of last year. The first burn is complete. The next burn about to happen after the hour. HTV concluding its mission. Again, its release time was 9:46 a.m. Central Time today, flying 260 statute miles over the South Atlantic. For the remainder of its mission, after this, it will conduct one more burn to get out of the keep-out sphere. Then it will start maneuvering to position itself about 12 miles below the station and 23 miles ahead of the station to conduct the kite experiment that will test an end mass and some electrodynamic currents. Kind of looks like a kite, like the HTV would be flying a kite in space. It'll conduct that for about 7 days right before deorbiting, concluding its mission, burning up over the Pacific Ocean on February 5th, Super Bowl Sunday for those of you in the States.